Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and then you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. Today is the day that is the choice day on IPSY. It is the 23rd. So I'm going to go through with you what my choices are on the Glam Bag as well as the Ultimate, because as you know, if you've watched my previous video, which I will try to link down below, there's a lot of changes with the Plus. So I'm not going to repeat it here. I just want to get this done up and quickly so that you guys will hopefully be able to remember to do your choice on these two bags, as well as seeing what's the flash sales all about. Okay, so the first thing is the choices here. We're going to look at what my choices are on the Glam Bag. So we're going to choose now. And the choices that are coming up is the Orze Beauty, which is a fantastic 4-quad. I already own one in nude, and I really enjoy this product. The next item is from Hey Honey. It is Trick and Treat Lip Balm Watermelon Balm with Natural Hint. Hey Honey is a fantastic line. Then we have Arceli Beauty, another great line. This is their single shadow. It looks like it's in a color called Sombrero. Then Glam Glow, another fantastic brand. This is the Bright Eyes, is the Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. And then it looks like they have a couple of full-size brush here. It is a Royal Lang Nickel Neon Angled Contour Blush Brush. Then from Lottie London, it looks like they have the AM to PM eyeliner in Sunburst. And then from IT Cosmetics, they have the Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream. Then from Briogeo Hair Care, they have Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado, and it's a Kiwi Mega Moisture Mask. Remember that this is the $12 bag, so majority of these samples are sample size. This Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream is so tiny that I would not recommend, even though it's Sunday Riley. It is so tiny, you might get a couple of uses out of it. The next is from Tatcha. This one's also really small. It is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And then from Buxom Cosmetics, this is their lifting mascara in extra black. I always recommend, if you're going to try mascara, to do it in the sample area. But like I said, there's so many other options that are here. I'm not sure what I'm going to pick. Have to make some decisions there. All right, the next item that we have here is we're going to go, and I'll show you the Plus because it'll probably have the announcement in there. It's about the personalization, but like I said, we're not going to be doing that now. We'll get into that next. I'll put a link down below because I've already done a video on that. The next one that we're going to do here is the choices that are going to be for me in my Ultimate. And sometimes the choices are different for everybody. It's sometimes based on products that you've already received or your reviews or things like that. So my choices are for the Ultimate. Wow. A Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. The Beauty for Real, the High Def in Just Black. This mascara has a very, very unique brush to it. It's almost like there's no brush there, but it really lengthens your lashes. The only thing with this is a wet mascara, so you have to be very careful. It can transfer onto your upper lid while you're putting it on. So it's just one you have to be careful with, but it is a beautiful mascara. The next is from 11 Skin. This is their Sports Booster, another fantastic product. Then they have from Soapbox a Coconut Milk Hair Mask. Then they have a Vitamin E Balm from the company Feel, another good brand. And then Payot Paris, new one to me. This is Hydrate 24 Cream Glacé. And then from Complex Culture, this is the brand that IPSY, it's their brand, but it's under the name Complex Culture. It is a plush powder brush they're very, very luxurious brushes. And then they have a Sunday Riley, the CEO Vitamin % Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I think I'm going to have to check on that. This one I also don't know which one I'm going to choose. So let's go back to the first one, which is the Glam Bag. And we'll do that one first and see what, sorry, got to go over here. And then we're going to do the choose now. And then, okay. I think on this one here, I really don't know what to choose. I'm tossing up between the Glam Glow and the Eye Fatigue. So the Glam Glow one, I'm just going to click on the picture to see. They're saying it's only 3 ml. So that's really, really tiny. But for eyes, you really don't need much. They're saying dark circles, combo of ultra illuminating pigments, get hydrated, hint of hyaluronic acid. That sounds pretty interesting. All right. But I think I'm going to be getting, oh man, I don't know. All right, let's make some decisions here. I really, really enjoy my, this eyeshadow quad that I have in nude. And I really, really like that color. It looks like it is going to be more of the camo type. You know what? I think I'm going to go with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to make the pick, which means I click on the pink area here that has the plus sign. And then let me just take one more look. This is so hard to do on camera when you don't know what to choose. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to choose that. Okay, so I'm going to go here. This was a hard... Oh, let me just check something else. So yeah, there's no prices. I don't know if you saw on the other one here. Sometimes they'll tell you if it's a full size. Let me see if I can show that to you guys on... Maybe the brush will show you that. And then... Because this I know is probably full size, when you click on it to, no, it doesn't tell you. Sometimes it tells you if it's a full size and what the value is. So on the ones that I'm choosing, it's not. So let me choose my Orza. Yeah, it's Orza, I think, right guys? Yeah, Orza. All right, let me choose that one here. Okay, and I'm going to confirm my selection, and then I'm just going to put something, because then when you confirm, some private information comes up. So I'm just going to block the screen just for a sec. Okay, and it's telling me my choice is in the bag. So we got that there. So I'm just going to print this screen just so that I have it for my records. I don't know why I did that, but we'll see what happens. Let me go back here. My print screen didn't work. All right, so we're going to do here, and it says shop your flash sale, and this is 48 hours. So I'm just going to go through this quickly with you guys, and then I'm going to make my other choices for my choice, which you'll see when you tune in. So the deluxe size duos, and these flash sales, what's great about them, the flash sale is a 48-hour, it's a snag-free, free ship, and they're big savings. What they do in the flash sale, which I haven't seen them do anywhere else, this is where they put duos together, and they're $5. They also ship separately. They're not like the add-ons that ship in your bag. So let's go through them. So we have the Murad. It's a refreshing duo. We have the IT Cosmetic hydrating. The IT Cosmetic samples I find that we get from IPSY are also very, very small. So I don't rush to buy sample sizes of IT Cosmetics on IPSY. The next one here is Tatcha. It's a Dewy Skin Duo. Tatcha, fantastic brand. The Tony Moly and H2O Plus Moisturizing Duo. The Tony Moly, another fantastic brand. The H2O I'm going to be introduced to in my Allure box, that if you haven't seen those sneak peeks, I'll list that down below. Also, I have a video up for August. The next one is from Yensa, another fantastic brand, and Avette, another good brand. This is a good, clean glow set. Then we have from Pacifica and Playlist, the Summer Sheet Mask Duo. Polar and Jersey Shore Lovely Lips Duo. Then from Coral Sun and Belle Argent, fantastic brand, Summer Lips Duo. And I do own this Coral Sun also. I think it has SPF, but like I said, if you click on the picture, it will give you more information on it. Then from Jules and Latte London, they have a glossy duo. From Lovecraft, they have a beautiful, it looks like a lip product. Wow. and Jean Bleu is it's a lip pencil. Their pencils are a little bit harder. Then you have from MAC and Yensa a Conceal and Set Duo. These are fantastic duos, guys. Then from YNC, a Lock and Complexion Duo. I do own the YC powder. It is a good one. Then from Wonder Beauty and Ciate London, they have the Radiant Duo. Then from Benefit Cosmetics and Seraphine, they have a Soft Radiance Duo. Also two good brands. Then from Girlactic, I own this. It's a good eyeliner. And The Balm Cosmetics, another good brand. They have a Line Up Duo. Then they have from Cella and Nomad Cosmetics, the Neutral Eye Duo. Sugar Cosmetics and The Balm Cosmetics, they have the Bold Eye Duo. Then from Scone Cosmetics and Locket, another eye duo. This looks more like a brow pencil and an eyeliner. And then from Sugar Cosmetics and IB, they have a Wing It Out duo. Looks like a couple of nail polishes from Color Club and another brand called the Poolside Duo. Then they have the Mini Mani Duo. This brand, Sella, is a really, really great brand. If that's a hand cream that's in there, it is phenomenal. Then for Color Club and Deco Miami, they have a Sugar and Spice Nail Duo. Pretty Woman and Deco, they have a Cosmetic Nail Duo. And the Coffee Scrub, everyone swears by this. I do own it. I have not opened it up. And Cake Beauty, another fantastic brand. They smell delish. And this one here also smells really good. If this is the hand cream, because it's coming with a nail, I'm assuming it is from Skylar. Very good also. Then they have, I love when they do this, they put a Royal brush blush together. I love that. This is called Catch the Light Duo. Then they have a couple of powder brushes together. One from Luxie and Real Her, and then from Slim SL Miss Glam and Arceli brush. I do own both of those, and both of those are good as well. I don't own the first one. The second one I do, the Miss Glam and the Arceli. Then here they have the IT Cosmetics. This is their cleanser. This might look like it's a bigger tube. And the IPTO skincare I've heard good things about. Then from Pearlise and Feel, also two fantastic brands, the Matcha and the Rose Duo. Oh, they're showing also here the Glow It Up Duo. This is a fantastic cleanser that has exfoliation in it. And Stella, this looks like that dual-sided roller. I'll own it, also enjoy it. Then from Sweet Chef, another really good brand. And I haven't tried this other one that I've heard really good things about, this Mud Mask. This is a vitamin duo. Then they have the Nomad and Flesh Sun Kissed Duo, and the two good brands there as well. And then Wonder Beauty Shiana B Lash and Glow Duo. And then the Balm Cosmetics and a Trestique and Jewels. These look fantastic. What a great lineup. And those were all 2 for $5. These are $20 bundles. This has the Violet Voss, which is a fantastic, fantastic eyeshadow palette. These are their ones that are smaller, and I own this, and I really, really enjoy it. And this looks like it's that really expensive brush set that they were saying is a value of $154. I own this. I've gotten dupes on this. I've given away this. They seem to have a lot of these. Then the next one is an IPSY Summer Set. I don't know who the brand is of that 4-quad. It looks, I really don't know. And then it looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for $20. And that's everything that is available in the flash sale. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to continue what I do here with my second choice, and then I'm going to have some fun in the flash sale. I think you'll see some items on further in a future video. All right, guys. Everybody, appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. But everyone, continue to stay safe and well, and I really hope you get your choice. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.